Go. I go to school every day. Make. She makes coffee every morning. Take. Please take a seat. Come. Come here and see this. No. I know the answer. Think. I think you are right. Give. Please give me the book. Tell. Tell me a story. See. I can see the moon. Use. Can I use your phone? Find. I need to find my keys. Say. What did you say? Get. I got a gift from my friend. Eat. We eat lunch at noon. Drink. I drink tea every morning. Work. She works in a hospital. Call. I will call you tonight. Try. Please try this dessert. Ask. May I ask a question? Need. I need a glass of water. Help. Can you help me, please? Like. I like listening to music. Put. Put the keys on the table. Keep. Please keep the change. Start. The class starts at 9 o'clock.
تابعنا على موقعنا إنجليزي.net لتتعلم الإنجليزية في أسرع وقت ممكن.